Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy. It's your boy. Josham. We back. We back. Huh. We back. Analytical Chemistry oral exam. Oral exam is tomorrow. Guess what? Guess what? ChatGPT gave me a new app. They gave me a new app and looks like what? Looks like I lost all my chat. It's still there, but I lost it on the app. Like I cannot get my older chats on the app, but it's still usable on what? On the browser version. Somebody used the chat. Devoto did hi. Yo, what's up? But yeah, like I was saying, it's I don't know what happened. It's still not accessible on the. It is still not. I cannot access the older chats here. That's pretty weird. Oh wait, no, it's the browser. How's the day? It is very okay. It is an okay day, I would say. That's the problem. I cannot get my older chats. It looks so weird. Summarize current priorities. Notion doc. Catch me upon updates. I'll pull together a concise. I don't know what is a Notion doc though. Notion workflows for specs, research, meetings, and knowledge capture. Install plugin. Oh, it's a ChatGPT made thing. We got a lot of plugins. Do we have this thing? OpenClaw. No. Is OpenClaw not there? I thought that was a plugin. Personal. Can I make my own plugin? A lot of plugins. Did you do it? Okay, I had written down the current task on the note you placed. Why is it still on caps? Stop app. On not the desktop app, but the desktop document or something. I can, okay. So it's not the desktop app, rather the desktop itself. Yeah, that's it. I found the note. I've drafted the concise priorities and next step structures, and I'm opening Notion to create it. Okay. Burn, burn, burn. Oh, what did you do? Allow once. What is this notion? I don't know. I allowed it once. What? Request permission. Requested permission. What is this? Whoa, why would you need that? Lot of permissions. GPT needs a lot of permission. Yeah, I guess. Yo, Hibu, what's up? Yo, are you okay? I am okay. What's up? I'm still figuring out this ChatGPT, new ChatGPT app. I'm not a big fan of this. Why would you need Bluetooth? Why does ChatGPT need lot of permissions? What's with this? I don't have time for this right now. I'm not gonna waste too much time on this. Cancel. Let's focus. Oh, I got this one, right? Notebook. Notebook LM. Well, ChatGPT is ChatGPT. $160 subscribers. Whoa! Are you creating what? Are you creating a chemical table? No, I don't think so. What do you mean chemical table? What you mean by that? Are you going to keep doing that? Bro, hi. Hello. Are you going to keep doing that? Doing what? How are you? I'm doing pretty good. I got an exam coming up tomorrow. And I was reading about, do you remember me? Are you the one that came up to my channel saying I subscribed? Now subscribe back? Feel like that's you. Internal bonds, breaking and reforming bonds, your intuition about bonds, okay. So if I remember, if yes, so okay, I remember you. I think I saw something. I got a I got a notification saying since you posted a video and it was your purse. I did not need to know that, YouTube. This creates a solution that is slightly oversaturated with nickel glyoxy. Oh, fuck! I forgot the name. Nickel diglyoxymate. Bro, all the best for your exam. Appreciate that. Yes, but you can learn now. I can learn now what? Yeah, I can learn, of course. Why don't you make content about game? Cause I got lot to study, and yeah, game is more like a side thing. Maybe once a week or something. Bye. I will not distract you from studying. Respect. Okay. This is the next day. Could you summarize what are the things I asked, and the whole nickel diglycimate GYLO. Should be GYLO. Oh, why is it taking so long? Yo. Yo. The fuck is wrong with this? Do you want to listen to music? I am listening to music. It's just I did not opt for the audio to be heard on the stream. Because if you could hear music, YouTube is gonna be like, oh, we're gonna copy strike. And I don't like copy strike. Not a big fan of copy strike. God damn it. Just a minute. I guess so. Whoa! Okay. Now it's working. Okay. We have covered a significant amount of ground in your preparation. Here's a summary. Standardization of NaOH. Why is it necessary to use potassium hydrogen phthalate as a primary standard? Because NaOH is high gyroscopic and reacts with carbon dioxide. Indicator chemistry. The molecular transformation of phenolphthalein from a colorless state to a pink state. Can you listen to this music, please? I could, but like I said, I could get copyright striked. The chemical reaction where objective was to determine the mass of nickel by precipitating them as a bright red complex dimethylglyoxime. Okay, I what did I write? Diglyoximate. Dimethylglyoxime. Diacetyl. Tika. Can I get the ooh yeah? Tika. What is that? Tika. Tika. What's that music? I never heard of it. It's like oh, it's like a concert, or it's like a play. Damn. Ain't gonna lie, it looks like it's really hard to sing. This one. Oh wow. Like this one, right? Song title Tinka. Okay, yeah. I think this is the one. It's like this person is singing backwards. No? Okay, bro, what you mean? There's a lot of Tinha. Oh, now I got the result in Vietnamese? Yeah, I got the result in Vietnamese. No, no, no. Okay. What did I miss? Yoto. Is there a Yoto? This one. Official audio. Well, now I can say if someone asks me, have you heard of Vietnamese songs? I did. My favorite one is Tinka. Whoa. Is it this one? Tinka. I heard Tinka. It's like this opera. Oh, bro, you keep on changing the music, bro. How many times do you change? No, Tinha. You know what? This is the last try. Oh. Is it this one? Okay, this one sounds a bit like a newer version. Why does it sound Japanese? Why sound like Japanese? Yes. YouTube, please don't ban.
Trên đời cùng nhau đón ban mai ngày mới, lạc vào ánh mặt người lúc em cười, là anh muốn trọn đời là em vui. Mồm em cười tươi, giọng em trong vắt, mang em về nhà nuôi, điều này anh chắc
I don't
được
understand.
thấy em vui. Dạng người trên mặt là bao nhiêu rắc rối, muộn phiền sẽ quên sạch. Em luôn tươi tắn
Em
như
lên
là
luôn tươi.
không ai đứng nhất vì em đã nhì. Dẫu cho mai này hay ta già đi, tình anh vẫn đầy dù em xa nhau cũng đã lâu, mà chẳng ai dám nói thành câu mình thương nhau cũng đã lâu. Chẳng thể sống nếu thiếu đi nhau, vậy em ơi cứ nói ra để tình ta sẽ nở thành hoa.
Okay.
Anh sẽ đưa em đến
Like I was saying, it sounds somewhere. It sounds like a Japanese song.
viết về tình ca, viết về tình.
Is that racist? I don't want to be racist.
Bên cạnh mãi mãi, tình ta sẽ là đẹp nhất trên đời.
Well, tinka tinha. No, tinta. Well, if someone asks me, "Yo, have you heard of Vietnamese music?" Yeah, I know tinka tinha. Yeah, yeah. That was pretty. That was a pretty chill music. Not gonna lie. It's really good. Yes, it is good. The objective was to determine the massive. Wait, a dimethyl glyoximate, right? No, dimethyl. Where's the dimethyl? Dimethyl glyoxime. Dimethyl glyoxime, yes. Yes, dimethyl glyoxime. I need to start writing because I feel like if I don't write, it don't get in my brain. So we gonna start writing. We're gonna change the cameras. We're gonna. Oh, where the? We're gonna bring in this old rusty tablet. We're gonna start writing on this old rusty little tablet. The fact that I don't have a note for analytical chemistry says a lot. And that's not what I wanted. That was not what I wanted. Not right now, bro. Analytical chemistry. Okay, okay. Let's change the camera. Wow. Why is it a bit too low? Oh, script. Gravimetric determination of nickel as diacetyl. 1 hour. 45 minutes. 30 minutes. Fuck. I don't care. 30 minutes. 15 minutes. 20 minutes. Gravimetric determination of nickel as diacetyl dioxide complex of the fuck is he just talking about? If you want, I'll send it to you. Not right now. Right now, I gotta write. I gotta complete all the experiments that I want to learn. But maybe in the future, maybe later. What? Suey? Hey man, say Suey, man. Suey. Yo, is that a Ronaldo reference? Or is that an ISO speed reference? Let me get some water. Yo, I show meat. Well, that is very unfortunate. What happened to the laptop? There we go. There we go. Mm-hmm. No patience to act. I show the meat to make you feel complete. That's a half bar. Yes, I saw it. I understand. We recognize about the studies, but I don't think it's good. It's gonna be a big issue though. His own dad made this song. Oh yeah, okay, okay. I have it. Okay, I heard that his dad made fun of him or something. Damn, it's gonna sting, huh? Oh, yep. Procedural key steps: acidification. You begin by adding hydrochloric acid to the nickel solution. This prevents complex from forming prematurely, ensures the reagents are thoroughly mixed before precipitation begins. Standardization of NaOH. Why is it necessary to use potassium hydrogen thiolate (KHP) as a primary standard? NaOH is hygroscopic. Hygroscopic means it reacts with water or do not react with water. Readily attract and absorb water molecules from its surrounding environment. And thus the reason it's reacted okay. I just need a very slight explanation on why exactly is being reacted with KHP. I understand that they are gyroscopic and reacts with CO2, but how is that reaction gonna affect the titration? Could you where is it? I need the reason for that one. Then indicator chemistry, molecular transfer. When I was at work, I was always thinking like phenolphthalein phenolphthalein undergoes hydrolysis, which results in change in color, which results in more contact of atoms that are undergoing resonance which results in lower energy absorbed by the compound for the atoms to excite. Whoa, what the f did I just say? Yeah. So that's how light at lower wavelength, like visible light, get absorbed by phenolphthalein, which results in this pink color. But again, I forgot the term. The central carbon goes from sp3 to sp2. That's what to make it possible. That is more like a scientific terminology on how you say this. You understand? I understand. sp3 to sp2. That's how you use it. Damn son. Oh, shut up. God, what's up with these WhatsApp groups? Masood Ahmed. Bish, get up. Get out of here. Gotta put do not disturb or something. Hello, Masood Ahmed. How you doing? What is going on? Basically, I am studying for my exam. And I was like, why not stream? Why not just study? Why don't I just disturb others on the internet too? I am too for my MCAT. I heard of this exam. It's like, fuck. What was MCAT? I heard of this exam. It's it's a medical school exam. Damn. Well, good luck, brother. We need more medical professionals. Who's we? I mean, people in general. Yeah. Thanks. What are you studying for? So, I'm guessing what my major is. My course is biochemistry, and right now I have an oral exam for my analytical chemistry coming up tomorrow. Oral exam for the things I've done in my lab. They're gonna ask me, oh, why did you do this? Why you do this? Why can't you do the other way? I should be like, that because that is not very good. Because it is stupid. Because it's retarded. You can do it. I'll be like, they'll be asked, oh, but how is it retarded? What makes it retarded? Because their eyes are. But yes, thanks. Oh yeah, you're welcome, brother or sister. Transformation of phenolphthalein from a colorless state. Okay, now the indicator. Phenolphthalein. Should I draw the structure? I wanna though. I feel like I wanna draw the structure. Are you in high school or college? I would be in college / university / type shit. Tight shit. So, pink color, the central carbon atom is sp2. Here is the sp3, which makes it oh fuck. Come on, man, I can do better. Beep, 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 beep. Are you single? Whoa. Yeah, yeah. Whoa. SP2, SP3, SP3 what? Yo, are you virgin, dog? Let's just say I am. Yeah. SP3. What was it? SP3 colorless. Is that obvious, bro? No. Phenolphthalein. SP2. Absorb visible light. So what is the visible light absorbing type shit? It is OH. Oh well, what happened to those OHs? So it's not just one. 15 minutes. God damn it. God damn it. Do you like men? Whoa, no. No offense to homosexual people, but no, I'm straight, gang. I'm straight as a what's the term? Whoa. What's the name of the line that does not have an ending or starting? There's a mathematical term. What's the name of the line of a line that does not have starting or ending in math terms? A line segment? No, line segment has to start and end. Ray. No, line, that's it? Okay, I'm straight as a line, gang. Do you have big dong? Well, what is with these really weird personal questions? Is it part of medical studies? Like colored people? Whoa. I don't know, man. I don't check how big is my dong. Let's just say it's really big. It's like the biggest out there. Okay? It's like so big that I have a special portal system to hide it between my legs. It's that big. Like if it's in its raw state, the planet Earth would be conquered. But don't worry, I won't unleash it. But yeah, it's really big. It's like one of the biggest, like the big. You feel me? Okay, the bond breaks. It goes like this. But again, I'm having another doubt. Here we got 1, 2, and you're also gonna hydrolyze this one, right? So one NaO, it's not just one NaOH that we need. We need more than. Funny. No, it's not a joke. Like, bro, you think it's a joke? Well, I would say it's better to let the people think it's a joke. You know what? It's a joke, gang. Let's just say it's a joke. Damn, whenever I open YouTube, I see someone writing their fixie, bro. I feel bad. Where my fixie at? Where my fixie at, dog? Somebody took it. Some piece of shit took it. Okay. Someone took my bike. No, I don't know if it's a triple bond though. Oh, that's a triple. That's also conjugated. That's not conjugated. What's the term? What's the term when it's interchanging double bonds? Conjugated bond? Yeah, conjugated. Oh, that's also conjugated. Okay. Pink. Problem with mass hygroscopic effect. What happens? NaOH pellets absorb moisture from the air. The 20 minutes? Oh no. No. The reason you react is not primary standard, meaning its concentration cannot be accurately determined by weighing the pellets. Here's how its hygroscopic nature reaction with NaOH would negatively affect your titration. What happens? NaOH pellets absorb moisture from the air. Okay. Effects when you weigh in okay. It results in titration. If you assumed 1.1 grams, the calculated concentration would be higher than the actual concentration in the flask. In your titration, you would find that it takes too much. Okay, the carbonate problem. What happens? Okay, this effect purity loss means if your hydroxide ion available on the solution as you intended. Well, sodium carbonate is also a base. It reacts differently and can interfere with sharp endpoints. Okay. I should have left some space. You can feel it. God damn. So carbonate, sodium carbonate is also base. Because these uncertainties, uncertainties, oh, that's the word. Uncertainties. Got it. Got it. Yo, what's up? What's good? What's creep? What's skitty pippity skitty? How's it going? Mager. It does not absorb water or react with air. Reference point by titrating this precise. I do remember you because I don't remember the past conversation that much, but I do remember there was once a fight, a pseudo fight between you and Wipeout. I do remember that one. Ha 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 ha. Yes, you're right. It was ha 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 for me. This is why your procedures specifically instructed you to wash an AOH beads with some water, rinse it out, rinse off the outer layer of carbonate. Okay, okay, I understand why carbonate. Could result CO2 air could result in surface layer of Na2CO3. Yeah. Which Infinity 18. Hey, how you doing? Yo, I'm doing pretty good. Thank you for asking. How you doing? How you doing? It's a Monday. It's a Monday, innit? I need to start working out. I need to start eating because I feel like I'm pretty hungry right now. I do have some waffles. I'm doing good too, thanks. You're welcome. I got some fucking waffles right now, maybe. Could this solve hunger? Could this solve world hunger? Maybe it could. That was pretty big. Oh, you know what? Somebody used to chat. Yo, Matteo Legend, how we doing? Code word, Bollock. Yo, I mean, you wasn't on my stream. I did not stream yesterday because the last 2 days I was at work, so I was not able to stream. But you were at the to the sea, Baltic. What work you do and study? Oh, my work is basically in a restaurant. Study, I have to prepare for the analytical chemistry lab exam. Where is this Baltic Sea? Oh, come on. Yeah. I mean, hey, I appreciate you for checking out the stream. Baltic Sea near Poland. Okay, okay. You got it. You guys have sea near you. That's cool. Yeah, I just saw it in the map. Just a minute. I need to go get the coffee from my fridge. Be right back. Biggity back. Well, I pressed pause, but it did not pause, I guess. Welcome back. Appreciate that. But yeah, I need to focus because the exam is tomorrow. And it's an oral exam. It's not even like I could write it on paper. If you assume 1.1 gram of NaOH, carbonate problem, carbon dioxide in the atmosphere for sodium carbonate, the purity loss means there's your hydroxide ion, which results in fewer. Bro, I'm gonna be back. I'm going to. Yo, the fact that you checked out the stream, that means a lot, gang. Respect. OH minus ions. Which results in fewer OH minus ions compared to the initial amount measured. Okay. And we wash it. You're absolutely correct about washing after weighing. No longer perfectly accurate compared to what usually goes into the volumetric flask. However, in analytical chemistry, this is intentional and do not affect the final accuracy. The mass is only approximate. The procedure specifies states to use approximate 1.1 grams to prepare. This step is not meant to provide a precise concentration. Its only purpose is to get the solution into the right ballpark for subsequential titration. Since you already have the mass of, okay. The role of washing step that forms in the surface of the pellets, they react with atmospheric value, are indeed dissolving a tiny bit of NaOH during the wash. It is important to have a solution that is free of carbonate impurities, then it is to keep every milligram of the weight pellet. Standardization of the real measurement. This is the most critical part of the oral exam. The concentration of NaOH is not calculated from its mass. It's determined experimentally through standardization with potassium hydrogen thalate. You weigh the KHP exactly. Example, the samples were, because it is primary standard and its mass is highly reliable, the titration tells you exactly how many moles of NaOH. Okay. Which the precision titration and NaOH concentration is approximate. The titration with KHP is what gives us a precise NaOH concentration. How many minutes? Oh, whoa. It's like 15 minutes for 1 hour. There we go. diluted approximately 200 milliliters with deionized water. Subsequently, 3 milliliter hydrochloric acid was added. 25 milliliters were transferred into beakers, diluted to approximately 200 with deionized water. Subsequently, a 3 milliliter so potassium hydrogen phthalate KHP. Thermodynamics. The neutralization reaction is exothermic, leads to a positive change in entropy due to the release of water molecules from hydration shells, resulting in a negative Gibbs free energy, making the reaction spontaneous. I'll write that last part. The chemical reaction objective is to determine the mass of Ni2 plus ions by precipitating them as bright red complex with dimethyl glyoxime DMG, also known as diacetyl dioxime. Diacetyl dioxime. Reaction rate of 1:2 molar ratio meaning one nickel reacts with 2 DMG molecules to form, okay. Two protons are released during the formation of the neutral square planar coordination complex. Acidification. You begin by adding HCl to the nickel solution. This prevents the complex from forming prematurely and ensures the reagents are thoroughly mixed before precipitation begins. Yo! Hello, brother, I'm back. Let's go. Well, that was pretty fast lunch, not gonna lie. For me, if I start eating lunch, it's just... I think it's... See that? That's proof. That is literal proof against the Apple Corporation that my watch is listening to me without my knowledge. To who? You're done. You're done, Apple. You're gonna get sued. To who? Q. Yeah, I was just hungry, bro. Huh? Yeah, I think for me, when I start eating, I think I spend a lot of time on YouTube. That's why. Which is retarded. Just not good. Because I was working in the morning today. Oh, okay. I mean, I get that one too. Like, if you're literally hungry, like getting wood and everything. Oh, okay, that's good. Okay, if you're hungry, yeah, you will eat pretty fast. Not gonna lie. Yep. Because at my workplace, when it's like lunchtime, I'd be done in like 10 minutes or. And also save the bird today. Oh, that's good. What was the situation this bird was in? This prevents the complex from forming prematurely and the mixture solution was acidified HCl to ensure reagents are mixed before, which prevents forming prematurely and ensures the reagents are thoroughly leg is almost getting out of his body, but maybe. Okay. So the bird cannot fly. Mm-hmm. Yeah, at least you helped with the thing, right? Strings. What sort of strings though? Oh, it's like a small bird. It's like the bird in the okay, small one. What sort of strings though? Like spider web or something else? The solution is heated in water bath before any DMG is added. I also have him like this water. Oh yeah, okay. I forgot the name. It's like antiseptic alcohol rub type shit. That's good. That's also a good thing. Oh, okay. So it was stuck. Okay, so it was stuck in those. So it's not like the strings were around this bird. Okay. Mm-hmm. But hey, at least it's safe now. That's good. Respect. So it's just HCl. The sample solution, 15 milliliters of. Oh. Mm-hmm. So it was kind of scared, but yeah. I mean, hey, right after the legs are healed, it should get better. It should be easy. Solutions were heated to 70 to 80 degrees Celsius in a water bath. 15 milliliters of diacetyl dioxide reagent was added to each solution once the temperature has reached 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Ammonia solution was then added while stirring until a red precipitate formed and excess ammonia was present. The mixtures were maintained at 70 to 80 degrees Celsius and heated for a further 20 to 30 minutes. A few additional drops of acetyl dioxide reagent were added to confirm complete precipitation. As the solution undergoes heating, to 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, I got one question where what sort of structures would have formed if there was no acid? If you omitted the acidification step with hydrochloric acid, the primary issue would be the uncontrolled and premature formation of various nickel-based structures that would interfere with the accuracy of your gravimetric analysis. Controlled and premature formation of various nickel-based structures that would interfere with the accuracy of your gravimetric analysis. What? My brain just fucking went zero. Oh, come on. You omitted the acidification step. The primary issue would be the uncontrolled and premature formation of various nickel-based structures that would... What are these structures? Premature and localized. Without HCl to keep the nickel molecules would begin reacting with the moment they came in contact. Instead of the DMG mixing thoroughly through the solution before precipitation is triggered by ammonia. This would get localized clumps of red precipitate forming instantly where the reagents first hit the water. These premature structures would be very fine disordered. Formation of nickel hydroxide in the aqueous environment with acid to suppress pH. Nickel 2 plus ions are susceptible to reacting with water or any small amount of base. So nickel hydroxide could form. Okay, I think that's a better answer for me. Nickel hydroxide. Formation of nickel hydroxide. — 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour and I'm still on experiment number 2. Still got 9 or 8. Goddamn 9. So 7 more experiments. 7. Not the 1, not the 2, 7. Copper ion determination of copper ions by iodometric titration. Okay. Is this the one with the machine? No, that's not the one. Oh fuck! I know for a fact that the professor is gonna ask about the graphs. No. Oh shit. What is that? Nice work, bro. Yo, I just got distracted for a bit. It's in Instagram right now. Fuck. Yo, Instagram is a shithole, not gonna lie. I can see why it's retarded. Okay. Formation of nickel hydroxide. I did not write that. Deacidification. Not Na. Oh, which, yeah. There, I read the part where you heat the solution because it makes it more. Fuck. Makes it more. Fuck. I forgot the name. It's a word that starts with A. God damn it. Thoroughly mixed? No, there's a better word. At least I remember a better word for that. Come on. Come on now. Why can't they focus? Come on. What is making it hard for me to focus? Think. Think, god damn it. Yo, you're still on the stream. I don't know what's wrong, but it's something. I just cannot focus. I don't know what happened. Something came up. I'm thinking, what should I do that could reset my attention span? Because I gotta complete this no matter what. I gotta do this no matter what, and I only have today. I know those things. Push-ups. Yep. That could make a difference. Let me wash my face and do some push-ups. That's a good plan? Yeah, it is. Oh, I feel good. It's been a while since I took some push-ups. I need to get back on push-ups. Push-ups. Okay, so where was I? That nickel, we acidify the nickel solution when it's heating up because we don't want nickel hydroxide, unnecessary compounds to be formed. And heating the solution could result in a what's the word? Ensure result in a solution where the reagents are why do I feel like there's a better word for it? Official Pavan. Hello Bhaiya Ji. Hello Ji, kaisa hu Ji? I feel like there's a better word for you. Say something in Hindi or Malayalam. हम बढ़िया बंजी बोलिए अपन बताइए हम बढ़िया बनी जी बोलिए अपन बताइए. I'm guessing you are doing good. Tell me about me. Is that what you asked? Maybe बढ़िया जा रही है भाई साहब. आपके बारे में सुनने में संतुष्ट है भाई साहब. There's a better word other. Just saying it's mixed thoroughly. In analytical chemistry, a more precise way to describe the role of hydrochloric acid. It facilitates homogenization, or ensures homogeneous distribution of reactants. Homogeneously. I am involved in your life every day. You don't know that I'm from India. I am involved. Okay. I mean, the second you said say something in Hindi or Malayalam, I kind of figured you're from India, gang. What is the issue? What happened, dog? What happened? Okay, I know you're from India. You do show up on the stream. Yes. And fuck, I forgot. I wrote the spelling for homogeneous. Not genius, homogeneous. 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 Uniform dispersion. Those are the terms. Uniform dispersion. But again, that's not the exact word I was going for. It was something that starts with an A. I can't find it. I cannot find it. Yeah, okay. So that's that part. Filtration and constant, no wait, ammonia. Followed by addition of diacetyl dioxide. Diacetyl dioxide reagent. Said hi. Oh. Yo, the world Pawan. Yo, I just saw your channel, and there's a video where you said you will complete your kinematics. So did you do it or what? Official Pavan. I think Pavan left the stream, but hey, appreciate you for checking out the stream. And it's so weird that the last message this guy wrote on the stream is not showing up on the chat, like the chat on the screen or on OBS. I don't know what's up with that. And ammonium. This is the trigger for the reaction. While stirring the hot solution, you added ammonia until a red precipitate formed. I forgot what makes ammonia trigger. I forgot what makes ammonia trigger In gravimetric determination of nickel, ammonia acts as a chemical trigger for precipitation by changing the pH of the solution in favor of the formation of the said complex. Oh fuck. In gravimetric determination of nickel, ammonia acts as a chemical trigger for the precipitation by changing the pH of the solution to favor the formation of solid complex. Here's a molecular breakdown of why this happens. When nickel reacts with dimethyl glyoxide, the process releases 2 protons as a product. Because this reaction produce acid, it is highly sensitive to the acidity of the environment, the role of initial acidification. This high concentration of the HCl pushes the equilibrium to the left. On a molecular level, the protons compete with the nickel of the bonding site for the bonding site on the DMG molecules, which prevents the precipitate from forming prematurely while you're mixing the reagents. How ammonia triggers the reaction. When you add ammonia, it acts as a base and performs 2 critical functions. Neutralize of HCl. Ammonia reacts with the initial hydrochloric acid you added, removal of released protons. More importantly, the ammonia captures the H plus ions that are released during the complex formation to form ammonia ions. Diacetyl glyoxime reacts nickel to form DMG twice. Nice work. Yeah, appreciate that, gang. What is the trigger? What makes the high concentration of H plus ions in the HCl, which is equilibrium to the left one? The protons compete with the nickel for bonding sites of the DMG molecules. Reacts with HCl that was thus acting as a base. and performs two critical functions: neutralization of HCl, removal as Ni react with DMG, releases 2H plus ions, which is also captured. It's captured by ammonia. By removing the H plus, ammonia shifts the chemical equilibrium to the right. This forces which shift the equilibria to right. Thus, more Ni react with DMG. After adding ammonia, the solution was set for another 30 minutes at heat, because high energy, less stable particles to dissolve, achieving constant mass. As this helps in forming larger clumps of NiDMG twice, which is more stable and energetically favored. Also is better for filtration. Ostwald's ripening. Okay. Yo, I just have a weird question. Of course, questions are all we need, I guess. Shoot away, Mathieu Legit. Do you drink alcohol or smoke? I used to. I used to drink a lot of alcohol and smoke a lot, but now, no. Why? I don't know. At some point, I just felt like, is it fun? I don't think it's fun. Especially alcohol. Oh, there's a thing called hangover. Nice, that's good. You stopped. It's really good. Yeah. Like alcohol, there's a thing called hangover. I hate it. Like the whole, you drink alcohol, the next day you're gonna have. It's very healthy to stop it. Yes, it is. But yeah, next day it's gonna be fully headache. Not good. Smoking. Smoking is less. Uh, you don't you don't feel too much when you smoke, but what did I notice about smoking? Your lung capacity gets lower. Like when you start running for a tram or something, you will notice that you are running out of breath faster than it used to be. And I think smoking leads to those. Teeth gets yellow. That's a really significant thing. What else? And if you smoke too much, yeah, headaches would come up. Yeah. But yes. But there's a new thing. I don't use it that much, but I know a lot of people who use it. Instead of smoking, people use a thing called nicotine pouch. Just put it up here. Which does not affect your lungs, but it makes you addictive. Like every time you want to use it. Which, I don't know. Not good. And I don't think nicotine going to your blood is good. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I never drinked or smoked. I mean, I congratulations, you received 100 messages today. Let's go. You never drinked or smoked. I mean, you are a minor still, so that's also one thing. You don't want to try it. I understand that. But yeah, for me, I was like, I want to see what this thing is, because where I grew up back in India, if you drink or smoke, you are like an exception. You're not even considered as a good person. You're considered as something that you should not interact with. That's how families in India treat if someone smokes or drinks. Which is kind of, after coming here, I'm like, yo, everyone drinks, smokes. So, yeah. So I was like, I want to see what the fuss is about. And I did try it. I can see why a lot of people are addicted to it, or a lot of people why they're into it. And I also know the side effects, a lot of bad stuff. Okay, let's just quickly go through the math. Gravimetric, right? Gravimetric. But you are right, it's not healthy, it's not good, it's better to stay away from these. Molar mass of nickel divided by molar mass. So that's the dimethyl glyoxime, nickel dimethyl glyoxime. No, glyoxime, yep. Four. I don't I don't think they're gonna ask me the structure, but hey. Yeah, it's better to learn it to be sure not to fail. Are you talking about this one? Oh yeah. If he like ask me, I'll be like, oh wait a minute. I'll like, there you go. So we got first. We start with the mass of the empty crucible. Crucible precipitate. Precipitate. Oh, there we go. The retarded guy's back. User GY और लोलू कैसा है? बहुत अच्छा है भाई साहब. कैसा आप कैसा है भाई साहब? भाई और बहन, it could be anything, right? Yeah. आज आप जिस्म की नीलामी कर रहा है लोलू. Uh, okay, bro. You're going through some things. I understand. It's okay. Wait, I gotta tell you something. It's okay to be special, bro. खस होना ठीक है भाई. यूसर जीवाई खास होना ठीक है. आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Keep existing. चित चिंता न करन. आप बिल्कुल सामान्य है. बस ऐसे ही बने रहे. ऐसे ही बने रहिए भाई साहब और बहन साहब. क्या हुआ चदरमोंद? Okay. Okay, I'll stop with one more comment or offensive comment. I'm thinking, how offensive should I go? I mean, it's just a guy on the internet, but आप दुनिया के लिए मायने रखते हैं भाई साहब. You matter. You're important to the planet Earth. User GY6H. Ah, fuck. ASSE. Acid? आप हमारी सबसे बेहतरीन संपत्तियों में एक है. एक. तेरी मम्मी बहादू जैसे दोल. Okay, bro. Keep yapping. Okay, I should not entertain retarded behavior. Calculating nickel constant. For every trial, you multiply the mass of your dried red precipitate by this factor to find the mass of nickel in 25 milliliter. Lan lega mera. I don't know what you said, bro. I don't even care at this point. For each trial, you multiply the mass of your dried red precipitate by this factor to find the mass of nickel in your 20. But hey, user GY, I gotta say, appreciate you for checking out the stream. क्या बे कौले स्वार? I don't know what you said, bro. I'm sorry, gang. Precipitation mass Statistical evaluation. To provide a scientifically valid result, you calculated the mean and uncertainty of these three trials. So we calculate the mass of the precipitate. Then from that we calculate the mass of nickel. How do you do that? Okay, so you divide the precipitate divided by molar mass of nickel. Yo, what's up? How you doing, man? I'm still what? So you calculated the number of moles. Oh, the number of moles times molar mass should get you. Okay. I understand. Understand. How you doing, Vaibhav? Dudes are cursing you. Why so? I don't know. I don't know. But hey, it's pretty fun though. It's fun to see different sort of people on the internet. I think I said the retarded guy is back when this user GY came to the stream. I think he did. I think he or she did not like what I said. What you doing now? I'm actually preparing for my analytical lab oral exam that's in tomorrow. Goddamn. Tomorrow. I don't know what they're saying. Me too. I mean, I know some of the words. I know a little bit of Hindi and I know some of the words and I know it's not appreciation. It's like Vaibhav said, it's cursing. Interesting compound. It's nickel dimethyl glyoxime. This compound, by forming this compound, is how we separate nickel from how they gave us as a sample. I'm guessing nickel dissolved in a solution. That's how they give it to us. We react this nickel with DMG and it precipitates into this one. From that we'll calculate how much nickel was there, from that to number of moles, from that we reverse calculate how much nickel was there on the first sample they gave us. And they could ask, confidence interval. Oh, I gotta learn this one. I know for a fact that they're gonna ask that. Average of your 250 milliliter result in 2 point. And it's basically titration, mostly titration. Calculate the alpha hydrogen on the first compound. Oh fuck, what was alpha hydrogen? It's the hydrogen attached to the carbon with double bond or something. I forgot. Whoa, I should go up. I think it's these, right? These are the alpha hydrogen. I don't know. I don't think it's this one. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 95% confidence interval using a t-value of 4. Okay. Hydrogens on the alpha carbon, that means the carbons directly attached to a carbon containing positive or negative charge. Alpha carbon, that means the carbon directly attached to a carbon containing. But, oh, this attached to a carbon containing positive or negative charge. So if the nitrogen has 2 lone pair, it could be negative, then this carbon is positive? Is that what you mean? I need you to explain this. So it's still this carbon. I understand. When one hydrogen is gone, then this carbon would have a negative charge. Okay. Yep. Oh, it's still, this carbon would be positive. Or could. Mainly the CI. Mass of the precipitate molar mass of the nickel DMG twice complex. Yes, the carbons can form a bond if one of the carbons have a negative charge if the valency allows. I don't know about this carbon, but these could, yep. So you divide it by the molar mass of DMG twice. Moles of nickel multiplied by molar mass of nickel in the 25 milliliter aliquot into 100, no, into 10 equals mass of nickel in the 250 milliliter. God damn it. God damn. There are 2 statistical values are used to quantify the reliability and precision of your experimental result. For nickel gravimetric determination, you reported final mass. The standard deviation measures the precision of your result. It qualifies how much your individual trials vary from the mean. The concept, the small standard deviation indicates that the technique was consistent. Each time you performed the experiment, you got nearly the same result. The calculation, it is calculated, I don't think I should learn the formula. 95% confidence interval, that's the part that could matter. While the standard deviation tells you about the spread of your data, the confidence interval tells you about the uncertainty Got it. Uncertainty of the mean. It defines a range within the true value of any of the analyte. The actual mass of nickel in the sample is expected to lie with a 95% probability. The formula, you calculated it using components, a standard deviation. If the measurements are consistent, your uncertainty will naturally be larger. Number of trials increases, the n of the denominator grows, which decreases the uncertainty. That is why you perform titrations and gravimetric analysis in triplicate, makes your final result more certain. This is a statistical constant that accounts for the fact that you're working with very small sample size for a 95% confidence level and 2 degrees of freedom. The value is 4.03. God damn it. I don't know if they ask me what exactly is this confidence interval. How do I say it? Why this matters for your oral exam. If the examiner asks what your results mean, you should say the mean mass of the however due to experimental limitation, I'm 95% confident that the true mass lies between, which means the key reminder for SLP significant. I still haven't gotten, okay. I'm still confused on the last part. I'm sad I can help you because, yeah, I don't understand shit out of it, but at least Vibos is here to help you. Yo, I mean, hey, yeah, that's correct, but don't be sad, gang. I appreciate the fact that you're on the stream. That's even cool. That's already cool. मादारा उचिहा आपकी गिम्ड मारू आप ठीक है भाई साहब और बहन साहब. It could be any of those. I should do more push-ups maybe. Because I feel like I'm starting to get even more. Archardermont ook at Milre. Again, I'm not gonna waste my time on that. Especially if it's a retarded person. Spend my time on that. Do you understand? If you are someone who is, and I should not waste my time on you. You feel me? Like if you're really, really like the absolute top tier, then you understand, fam. You understand? अरे चरदरमोंद बीप करके क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Ah, I did not beep. It's that your ass could not hear it. I did not beep anything. You are so you couldn't hear it. It's not my problem that you couldn't hear it. But hey, it's okay, Bean. It's not like it's a crime, Bean. You feel me? Yeah. Or kasi. You're perfect. Crazy Gaming. Hey, bro. Yo, what's up? You know what? I should take my next set of push-ups because I'm getting distracted by these retarded motherfuckers on my chat. Not you, Crazy Gaming. It's someone else on the chat. Yep, I should start with some push-ups. You. Yo, Supervog, I remember your name, but I'm not able to pinpoint who are you exactly. Let me go to the Oh yeah. I remember. How many hours do you study in a day? How many hours? Like if I am really dedicated, 5 hours. But yeah, I need to increase that time. I'm the guy from Twitch. Oh yeah. I get it. Well, it's push-up time. Let me do some push-ups. Whoa, that's dedication. I hope so. 5 hours a day. Not every day, but yeah. I need to be more efficient. But don't play Sleeping Dogs, play Team Fortress 2. Did you see that I played Dark Souls? I finally got Dark Souls working. That's crazy. I never expected a day where Dark Souls would have worked on my laptop. I did not expect that. But guess what? It did. It did. It did. Mean mass. Physical. Then standard deviation. Range of uncertainty rather than a single number, while your mean is average of your trials. CI defines the boundaries within which the true value for analyte is likely to fall. According to your sources, here's a breakdown of each part. This means if you were to repeat your experiment 100 times and calculate the CI for each one, 95 of those would contain the true actual value of your sample. It's a way of saying it's not 100%. I'm not 100% sure true value is exactly by mean, but I'm 95% sure it's in this specific range. Safety factor corrects for the factor that you have very small sample size. The range you mean 95%, or 95% confident that the true percentage of the acetic acid in the sample is somewhat between what did you I don't know if push-ups gonna cut it. You perform a simple addition and subtraction using the mean value for trials you calculated in your report based on your result. The upper bound. Oh, you just minus plus. Roblox play. Hi. Yo, what's up? What's up, gang? Oh, I'm doing pretty good. How about you, Roblox Play? How are you doing? How you doing? I should do something better. What? तू थोड़ा से चुमतिया है क्या? Chumtia, I don't know what that is. I think it's a slur. Could be. हर बार अपने मुंह उता के स्ट्रीम करने लगता है. I understood stream. हर बार. Why am I wasting my time? You're absolutely right. Why am I wasting my time on someone really important to this planet? You ask me. Yep. I'm gonna end the stream though. Oh, I'm already fucking. Okay, it's hard for me to concentrate though. But all I did was one experiment. One single experiment. Confidence. You perform a simple addition and subtraction now. तेरी शक्ल देखे I cannot poop. Oh, whoa. Yo, bro. I don't think you should. You should hold it in. You should hold it in until one day it's gonna explode. Do us all a favor. Just hold it in. This guy. Hindi to English. I can't. Hold it in until you explode. Do us all a favor. Like, इसे तब तक दबाकर रखो जब तक तुम फत ना जाओ. हम सब पर एक एहसान करो. Please, एहसान करो भाई साहब. Or बहन साहब, whatever you are. So you understood what I said. Okay. Do us all a favor, gang. Just do us. Hello, bro. Hello. Just hold it in. One day you're gonna look like you were. No. Yeah, I mean, if she hears what the people in chat is saying, yeah, I think that's what she will also say to you. Just hold it in. Do us all a favor. I mean, I'm serious though. No offense, no joke. Just hold it in. Go against your body. Just test your limits. Maybe will it explode due to methane gas, or is it gonna, or your body is gonna reabsorb that? We could find out. I said your mom. Yeah, my mom said you should also hold it in. She also said the same thing. Do us all a favor. Just hold it in. Like I was saying, if you hold it in, what if your body starts to absorb because you are that low piece of shit? Maybe your body starts to recognize, yo, I'm a piece of shit. Why not I absorb the shit I'm producing? Ah, bro, you might unlock something that is never unlocked. You might unlock the potential of human body to absorb. Do you have a kink or something, user GY? Do you feel good when you hear someone else make fun of you? Is it some sort of kink? Man, do you even realize what you just say? Or are you just a retard? I feel like you have a kink or some sort that's like if someone else makes fun of you, you get turned on. So I'm not gonna encourage this, bro. I'm not gonna support your kink, bro. Or sister, I don't know what the fuck you are, but yeah. You have a tampon inside you, bro. Let me know how your body reacts when you hold all that shit inside your body. Because I want to know what is going to result after that experiment. I feel stupid for reacting to whatever you are, but but hey, you made me react to yourself. Congratulations. Focus. 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 Hocus pocus. Focus. If I repeat the same experiment 100 times, 95 times, 95 times. I should have the original value out of the precipitates were collected by vacuum filtration using previously dried and weighed glass crucibles. The precipitates were washed with cold deionized water. Right, okay. Well, that is done. Finito. Fertig. Genau. Bro, this guy is coming back for more. Go back to your parents, bro. Experiment. Number 2. Experiment. Oh, fuck. Number 3. What did you type though? Dumb. That's what you typed in? Lo, what the hell is going on right now on the stream? Well, I don't know. Some kid is being so annoying and got what this kid deserved. At some point, I do feel bad for this kid. Because it's gonna affect him. Or him or her. Lame. Boo-hoo, lame. Lame. Again, I don't wanna make fun of you too much because that could affect your childhood. I don't want to ruin your childhood, gang. Be better. Next one, experiment number 3. Number 3. Corrected. What is it? Is the determination of iron in chloride contained solution by manganometric titration. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's... Why would you autocorrect? Why the would you autocorrect? I do not like autocorrect. I need to figure that out. Why is notebook LM having autocorrect? How do I... I'm using notebook element does not have the time rather. Select system settings, system preference, keyboard. No, what the fuck was that? Not here. Is there an autocorrect? Advanced. There's no keyboard option here. What was going on? Safari extension settings. Where is it? Well, edit, substitution, spelling, and grammar. Speech. No. I just wake up. Oh, shit. Guten Morgen. To fix this on your Mac, we need to find the keyboard setting. System settings. Keyboard. So chill. Let's go. Let's go to chill. Input sources section. I don't get it. Nope. Change keyboard type. Press immediately to the right. Would I like to listen to music? Mm-hmm. Not right now though, because I'm still in between of something. To determine the concentration of Fe2 plus ion in a chloride containing sample using standardized potassium permanganate solution via redox titration. Redox titration, where you use potassium permanganate as a strong oxidizing agent to quantify iron in your sample. This experiment is more complex than your previous titration because it requires a specific temperature range. Song title, Formula. Okay. I'll look it up later, what do you say, later? I hate how standardization of potassium permanganate, because permanganate is not a primary standard. You first had to determine its exact concentration using sodium oxalate. The heat requirement. The reaction between permanganate and oxalate is low at room temperature to ensure the reaction proceeds at a measurable rate. The solution must be heated to 75 to 85 degrees Celsius and titrated while hot. Self-indicating. You do not need an external indicator for this step. The MnO4 minus ion itself is a deep purple color, and the first. That song really chill? Okay, I'll check it out the next stream. What do you say? Next stream. Give it a listen. Yeah, I will. Next stream. What do you say? Next stream. To ensure reaction proceeds at measurable rate, the solution must be heated to 75 to titrated while hot. Self-indicating. You do not need an external indicator for this step. The MnO4 minus ion itself is a deep purple color, and the first persistent faint pink color indicates the endpoint where a tiny excess of permanganate is present. Your result after the 3 trials You determine the average concentration, sample preparation. Role of the Zimmermann-Reinhardt reagent. This is a critical component for this specific experiment. Your sample contains chloride ions from the hydrochloric acid. The problem: potassium permanganate is such a strong oxidant that it can oxidize chloride ions into chlorine gas. If it happens, you would use extra titrant, leading to an incorrectly high calculation of iron content. You added 10 milliliters of Zimmermann-Reinhardt reagent before the titration. This reagent contains manganese 2 sulfate, sulfuric acid, and phosphoric acid. It serves to prevent the oxidation of chloride and sharpens the endpoint by forming a colorless complex with iron produced during the titration, which otherwise might impart a yellow tint that masks the pink endpoint. Okay, I need to look into this a little bit more. But I'm gonna end the stream. We're gonna continue in like 1 hour. Cause yeah, we still got a long way to go. I still need to look into a lot of others. Peace out, YouTube. Damn, you came up the exact time where I was gonna end the stream. Respect. Hino NXT, I do remember you. Respect, Matthew. Legit respect. Hino, inorganic. You were here when I was doing organic. Hey, respect for checking out the stream. Means a lot.